Hello friends, we tested this bulb on different sockets and it works perfectly everywhere. Even the hairdryer runs smoothly without any problem. Today we bring you a homemade electric multi-extension board, compact, foldable and great in design. Testing is done, now let's move to the making process. We're taking this PVC pipe as you can see here. Friends, we've made PVC sheets from this pipe. We mark the sheets and cut them carefully using a cutter. This way, our pieces are shaped perfectly. Now we mark the sheet again using a pencil for accuracy. Using a mini drilling machine, we carefully cut along the marked lines with full safety. The cut is clean and perfect. Now we're ready to take 2 PVC sheets for the next step. Using a hot gun, we carefully heat the PVC sheets so they become flexible and easy to shape. Now we're shaping the body of our electric extension board. The PVC sheets are carefully folded using the hot gun multiple times. Once both parts are fixed together, the body fits perfectly and is ready for the next step. Before we continue, a big shout out to Altium for sponsoring this video. Altium is known for powering some of the world's most advanced PCB design workflows, and if you're a student, Altium offers something incredibly valuable, the Altium Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry-level design experiences and a complete PCB learning program that walks you through everything from core concepts to practical design fundamentals like layout, routing, manufacturing and supply chain basics. You will work on real-world projects, build job-ready skills, and on an official course certificate that helps your resume stand out and open doors to future opportunities. Enrollment is completely free, so if you want to take your electronic career to the next level, check out the link below and join Altium Student Lab today. So friends, we took a sheet circle and a 1-inch pipe and fixed them together using superglue. Now we bring in the sockets and mark their positions on the circular sheet. After cutting the marked holes, we install a 2-pin socket, a 5-pin socket, and an on-off switch neatly into the circular sheet, all with screws. Once all the components are in place, we attach them to the previously cut sheet. We also fix a small extra sheet alongside it using super glue, ensuring everything is stable and perfectly aligned. Now that everything is firmly fixed, it's time to do the wiring. Friends, this step is very easy. First, connect all the red wires to the respective legs of each socket. Once all the red wires are in place, connect the blue wires to the opposite legs. Make sure to tighten every wire carefully using screws and a screwdriver so that all connections are secure, neat, and the extension board works safely and perfectly without any loose wiring. Now we pass the main wire through the hole. Connect the red wire to the separate switch terminal and the black and blue wires to the other terminals, securing everything properly. Now we solder the connections. Now I'm folding the main wire carefully, just as you can see here. After shaping it properly and making everything neat, I securely fix the outer PVC body, giving the project a clean, strong and professional finish. After fixing it, I apply super glue properly for a strong hold. Then, I carefully pull the wire out through the hole to complete this step cleanly. 4 PVC pieces like these are fixed inside the body, one at each corner, using super glue to hold them firmly in place. Now we place the PVC sheet at the bottom, perfectly shaped for the body, and fix it securely. After that, we tighten screws at all 4 corners using a drilling machine. So friends, our homemade PVC extension board is now fully completed and ready to use easily. Thank you all for your amazing support and helpful comments. Keep sharing your new ideas in the comments and let me know how you liked this project. I also want to give a big thanks to Altium for their great support throughout this project. Friends, make sure to visit the link on this side. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.